Hey guys, welcome back to my backyard garden. We have had a busy week. We have been doing a little expansion on the garden. I planted up all the other beds and I had ran out of room. So I decided, when we first did the garden, we had talked about expanding, but no idea it would be this soon. So that's what we've been working on all week. It was a lot of hard work. It was hot some days, but it was well worth it. I have not been this tired in a long time, but like I said, it was worth it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and please come again, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. When we've only been here, it'll be 2 years in November, and the first year we came in, we did a little, then we did a lot when it warmed up, but I never thought I would have such pleasure in getting this yard together. I really enjoy getting up in the morning and looking out at the garden. So that's about all I have, and I'm looking pretty raggedy here, but I'm tired. This is the new project for this season. I'm extending this back a little bit more, just leaving enough space for the rider to get through to cut the grass. This is what I've been working on this week. I should say this is what we have been working on this week. In the fall, that part down there at the back, we put cardboard on that and leaves and a little soil, and I have squash planted back there, but I decided I want to come all the way down. Another day's work, almost ready to plant. Well, this is what we got accomplished today. Got the rest of the compost in there. I put all of these here bricks back there, a little crooked, but it keeps it separated. I'll let you see from the back. And all of the squash are doing well. Still have to come back and cut all these little ties off, but it's coming along. See if you can see from this side. Well, let me show you from this side. If you can see, this used to be the wall, and I have a few sunflowers planted down there. But down on this end, I had planted some cucumbers. So they had already started growing, so I decided to put this cattle panel up, and I may take this down next year. I'll see, but the cucumbers needed something to climb on, so that's what we did temporarily to see how that go. And we moved the water tank back here, and there's a squash back there. I am really liking this space, so I have more room to plant. We have finally finished the expansion. I have a few more things that I want to plant, but I have planted up some of it, and it's looking good. I am very pleased. It was a lot of hard work, but it was well worth it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and leave me a comment. And please come again. So this is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.